44-year-old Eric Reinbold of rural Oakley, Minnesota, is a scary person now more so than ever. As you've heard, he's now the suspect in the murder of his wife, Lisette, last Friday at this farmstead. Details surrounding that have not been released yet. We've learned several people have moved away from their homes in the area as Reinbold remains on the run, and a $10,000 reward is now being offered by U.S. Marshals for information leading to his arrest. During an earlier case, Reinbold possessed a hit list. And now Reinbold proved himself adept at escaping law enforcement for the third time on Friday. He'd been living down the road at another farmstead in a camper. Despite an extensive search of the properties, he hasn't been found. And as of last weekend, authorities weren't aware of any vehicle he may be driving. All of the Reinbold vehicles were on the property. Reinbold was also able to escape law enforcement back in 2015 at this same farmstead. According to court documents, on June 11th of 2015, a dispatcher received two calls regarding a domestic disturbance at this residence. One call was from Reinbold. The other was from a postal worker who witnessed Reinbold ramming a vehicle 3 or 4 times with his vehicle. His wife and 2 children were in the other vehicle. He was convicted of 2 counts of an assault in that incident. When a deputy arrived, Reinbold was found in the woods and said he had tried to make a citizen's arrest of his wife. He also told the deputy he was armed and wouldn't put down his weapon. The deputy retreated and backup was called in. At that time, Reinbold was able to slip away. He was later arrested after he got in contact with his parents and turned himself in. Then, in 2017, he also escaped law enforcement for a time after he was charged with possessing unregistered pipe bombs. He wasn't found and arrested until sometime later during a traffic stop in Kansas. 2018, he was given a 5-year prison sentence and released earlier this year from that sentence and was on parole. Now, for a third time, he remains on the run again. He's considered armed and dangerous. If you have any information, you're asked to call U.S. Marshals at 1-877-926-8332. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.